the major causes of chronic cough are asthma, upper airway disease or upper airway associated cough, and gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. That's the top three causes. But it may differ among countries or institutions. In Japan, asthma is by far the most common cause of chronic cough. Yes, the compound is antagonist of P2X3 ATP receptor. It's have high selectivity for P2X3 homotrimer, and ATP may increase in airways when the airway receives some inflammatory or mechanical stimuli, and the agent blocks the action of ATP, and then the ATP may cause an irritation or activation of P2X3 receptor that may lead to activation of cough center in the brain, and the compound blocks that route. We conducted a randomized crossover study to see the effect of the S-600918. We found that cough of patients with chronic refractory or unexplained cough was significantly diminished by the compound as compared to placebo. And what should be emphasized is that very low incidence of taste-related adverse events was observed, in contrast to former compound, gefapixant. Marked difference from gefapixant is that the selectivity for that compound on P2X3 homotrimer that may result in the much less incidence of taste adverse events despite the similar effects on cough. Yes, we only have limited data, but from our phase 2A study, we found that patients with more cough responded more to the treatment. And it's a possibility that patients with more hypersensitive airways may respond better, but that should be further clarified by future studies. I think that patients with hypersecretion or patients with psychogenic cough may not be a good indication of that drug.